So I got back from Bali about 2 weeks ago. I took my mum for a mother-daughter trip. It was magical. We had an amazing time. It was my 6th time in Bali and my mum's first. It was amazing. And I did a little bit of shopping, and that's what this video is about today. I want to show you everything that I bought in Bali. One of the things I love most about traveling is shopping. I love bringing back beautiful, unique pieces that remind me of my travels and act as souvenirs as well. Bali as a whole, in my opinion, has fantastic shopping. You can pick up some beautiful clothing, gorgeous textiles, amazing pieces for your home, very different jewelry. There's just a plethora of goods to fall in love with in Bali, and they are all very reasonably priced. Now let me get to the good stuff and show you what I picked up. There are markets and stores all over Bali selling great quality leather goods. Shoes, bags, wallets, jackets, skirts, whatever it is you desire, you will find it, and if you don't find it, they will gladly make it for you. I picked up these gorgeous sandals. They are by the brand Fear. I'm not sure if that was the shop name or just the brand of the shoe, but they're gorgeous. I love them so much because they are a naked sandal, and by that I mean your foot almost looks naked, but it's not. It's securely strapped in these beautiful, flat, so comfortable, tan, classic leather sandals. They just have a loop at the front for your big toe. Your heels are covered nicely in the back, which is something I love about a sandal. I just think it looks more polished and groomed and pulled together. They are so comfortable, and I love the tan color. I think these were about $45, a bargain in my opinion. They go with so many things, even long maxi dresses that are quite dressy. You can wear these and they just add a different element, a very chilled, relaxed element, especially when you're traveling. I absolutely love these sandals. I know I will have them for years and years. I found this gorgeous little thing in Seminyak, further up north in a boutique. I think it was called Kanga. It's owned by an Australian man. He lives and owns this boutique in Bali, and his prices are very, very affordable considering the high quality of goods he has in there. Homewares, leather goods, just a beautiful store to walk into. I fell in love with this when I saw it. It is so bohemian. I love the embossed pattern on the bag. It reminds me of something from the 70s. I just fell in love with it. I think it is so cute. It will go with so many things in my wardrobe. The nude leather is just so different. It is so blonde. It's just so cute. It doesn't fit all that much inside, but the necessities like your phone, your keys, a lipstick, your wallet, your sunnies maybe, that's about it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it was only $40, believe it or not. I treated my mum with this trip, so every store we walked into, she wanted to buy me something, to say thank you or to spoil me every single time. I just didn't want her to. I wanted her to enjoy herself. I wanted to spoil her. So when this caught my eye, she wanted to get it for me along with something else that I will show you in just a moment. The colors they used to paint this box are the exact same colors of my room, a very soft pink and turquoise. It's just so cute and adorable. I knew I could put it to good use, and if not, it just looks so pretty just sitting on my shelf. It's just something very Balinese, but also something very pretty. If I remember correctly, this was around $5. Absolutely nothing for something that's handmade and so beautiful. And the other thing she bought for me was this cute little sundress. The store was called the Shang Seminyak, but I did see another one in Legian, so they may be all around Bali, I'm not sure. This was on sale, originally $45, and I think it was half price. I just love the color palette on this. It's so my aesthetic. I love greens and blues and nudes and whites, and this is all of those colors. It was the perfect length on me and just a beautiful dress to have for my travels, so she got me that as well. I absolutely love it. We went to Ubud markets and you could easily say yes to everything. Yes to the beautiful little round basket bags. Yes to dream catchers and shell chandeliers. Yes to pretty little dresses. But I only picked up one thing, and it was this batik sarong. I really fell in love with the color palette. Again, just very soft but bright colors, done really well with a little bit of lurex through it. And this is not the cheap and nasty sarongs you find in the markets. This is handmade and beautiful beautiful quality and something that I will have forever. I can wear it as a sarong, which I immediately did when I bought it. I could use it as a throw or a shawl or a scarf. It's just a multi-purpose beautiful piece of textile. It's very Balinese, and this was $15 from the Ubud markets. At Padang Padang Beach, there are beautiful sweet ladies walking around with sarongs and dresses and pants and whatever else you can imagine, and they carry them around all day, sometimes on top of their heads. They're there trying to make a living, trying to sell you something. So my mum and I got a couple of sarongs. This is the one I chose. I absolutely love the colors. Again, it's turquoise and a pinky coral with little fringing. It's just a beautiful sarong, and sarongs are everywhere in Bali. It is what they're known for. How can you say no to ladies just there all day in the heat trying to make a living? We both had to get one, even though I have about 10 of these already from my previous travels. We got 2 for $10. In one of the markets in Legian, I found this gorgeous skirt. It's a long waterfall skirt with a high-low hem in this animal print that is so muted and soft and neutral that it doesn't feel like the animal print of the 80s that can look really tacky. I've never been heavily into animal print, but I do like a little bit, and I am a believer that every girl should own a little bit of animal print in her wardrobe. I just really loved this. I think it's very romantic. I can also wear it as a strapless dress. I'm short enough so it works. I just really love it, and it was only $12. $12 for this gorgeous, beautiful quality, long animal print maxi skirt. I also picked up another animal print piece. This is a cute little play suit that I found in the markets at Seminyak. It's almost exactly the same print as this one, but I think this one's more neutral and this one's more white and grey. But again, very cute. Just a V-neck at the front, a little ruffle short, and also a deep V in the back. I wore this on a couple of occasions while I was there, just over my cozy. It was very easy to wear and kept me cool and looking stylish, and it was only $10. Another dress that caught my eye was this one. It was on a sale rack outside a boutique in Seminyak. It was only $15. A maxi dress with a V-neck, adjustable straps. It has 2 long splits in the front to show off a bit of leg and break it up a bit. I really love this color palette. It's all greens. The bright green, the neutral khaki green. It's just something that's very me. Again, great for when I'm traveling. This is something you could definitely dress up. It's very cool, lightweight fabric and just flows very nicely over the body. I absolutely love it. For $15, what a bargain. There are some beautiful boutiques in Canggu, and on the day we were there it was extremely hot, and me and my mum were walking the streets, pounding the pavement, looking at all these beautiful boutiques, shopping, carrying bags. It was a lot. There was a boutique there called Rose Gold, and I just immediately was drawn to it. I walked in and my eye caught this beautiful tunic. I think it's the most gorgeous colors, so tropical, so vibrant, so boho. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I knew that I would wear it so much, especially when I'm traveling. It is so my aesthetic. I love the little pom-poms. It's very, very bohemian. This was $65, which is not cheap for Bali, but definitely not expensive for something so beautiful. The textile on this is batik. It's just something that I will have forever. It is something that's very unique that I won't see on anybody else. I definitely thought it was worth every cent. I probably would have paid up to $100 for this. So when I saw that it was $65, I thought that really isn't that expensive for something so different and gorgeous and just a really wow piece. From the same store, I also bought this tunic slash kaftan. I really love the color in this. It's a brown khaki color, very neutral. I like the embroidery and beading on the front. I think it's very classic but very modern as well. It is just something that I know I will wear when I travel. I can wear it with jeans. I can wear it over my cozy as a cover up. I can take it to lunch when I'm on the beach in my cozy. I can just throw this on and I'm good to go. It's just very beautifully made, was very flattering on me and very age appropriate, and it was $65 as well. Those are the 2 pieces I got from Rose Gold and I absolutely love them. And lastly, another dress. This one is so different. It is so Little House on the Prairie, but in a good way. I saw this in this boutique called Sunsay from Seminyak. As soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. It is just a beautiful trans-seasonal dress. It's a long sleeve maxi. It goes right down to my ankles. Just a simple round neck, gorgeous romantic sleeves. The color palette is just stunning. This lilac violet color with the earthy mustard in the background and a little bit of blue is just to die for, in my opinion, and it really suits my skin tone. I put it on, I fell in love with it. I knew it would look amazing with some tan ankle boots. Just a piece that I could wear as it gets cooler and then layer it up in the winter time. It's just unlike anything I have in my wardrobe, and I knew I had to have it, and this was only $50. My mum also found a dress in this store, so the woman gave us 10% off, which actually made this dress $45. I almost forgot, I also bought a linen throw for my room. It is on my bed right now. I am sitting on it as we speak. It is linen, handmade. I think linen is just so timeless, classic, fresh, and so luxe. It's a stunning, warm neutral that I know I will have for very many years. So that brings us to the end of this video. That is all my purchases from Bali. I really hope you enjoyed taking a peek into what I fell in love with over there. I would really love for you to check out my Bali vlogs. I will link them in the info box down below. There is part 1 and part 2. I think if you are planning a trip to Bali, they are a real great guide into where to stay, places to eat, things to do, just a real tourist's guide to Bali. So please check those out. I guess until next time, take care.